guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys saw, today's wig is from iDefine. You guys already know I love me a good iDefine unit, which I am currently wearing. There's a whole video on this. Okay y'all, so today's wigs we are trying these two on. Black versus red. Now I can't lie, I'm excited for the red one because it's been a minute I've tried on a red wig, y'all. It's usually black and blonde, brown, black, blonde, brown, red. It's been a minute, so I'm excited. So I will leave this one till the last. So we're gonna go ahead with the black one first, give it a try and see. So under this wig, guys, I am wearing a wig cap. As you guys can see, I've also prepped my hair, so yeah. Now I think all we gotta do is try this on. Nothing else left to do but to try it on, guys. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention, like I always tell you in my videos, guys, this is a glueless wig, so you don't need to glue it, which is great. I mean, you can if you want to, but honestly you really don't need to. So right now I am adjusting the straps just so that it's tight enough, not painful, not headache tight, but tight enough just so that, you know, it stays on. The wind is not gonna blow it off type thing. Now, you want to put your wig on glueless and be so secure that it's not going anywhere. So that is why I use everything that I did in the wig. I use the combs, I use the band, I use the straps. You know, I can see it has a side part, and sometimes when you put the wig on, the lace kind of rolls inwards, so you want to make sure that it's not rolled or anything, that it's just straight. Yeah, you see a little rolling here, because then it's gonna be less obvious. One thing I don't really like is the corners. Don't know if you guys can tell. So yeah, I'm just gonna fix this corner. Actually looks okay. This corner, I'm just gonna fix it a little bit. Just cut the corner off. Okay. No foundation. Okay. Now let's see what we're working with. I haven't actually looked at it properly to like embrace its beauty. Okay, I don't know what else I could do with it. I cannot lie. The style looks pretty good already. Let me see. I might hot comb it a little bit. I kind of want this to like sit like this and then have like a side thing going on. Yeah, so I'm just gonna hot comb it so that it stays like that. Careful. Oh, it's hot. It's not too much. You can hot comb here too if you like. I think I might do a little bit. Not really needed. I'm gonna add a little mousse just to define the front curls. Okay, this is nice. I'm loving it so much. It looks really cute. I just feel like this is a type of hairstyle that deserves hoop earrings. You know, it's not too much, so you actually see the hoop. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? It just looks better. Yeah, this is cute. Oh, this is nice. You know, wait till you see the red one, guys. I don't even know. I love it. It really goes with my outfit. This can be like an everyday wig. You know what I mean? You just wear it every day. You don't have to worry too much about hair touching your face or your neck, especially when it's warm. You know, summer is literally here now, so it's either we do braids or we wear short wigs. Nobody has time for long wigs. I mean, I don't know about you, but that's just how I feel. But anyway, guys, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. It's giving rock star. It's giving like old Rihanna, sort of. But I love it so much. It's so cute. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and try the second one now. Okay. Okay, now for this red one, just like we did with the black one, I'm just gonna tint the lace slightly just to give it that brown tone so it matches my skin color. I didn't even show you guys the back. Excited to see what this one looks like. And just like before, adjustable strap, adjustable band. Make sure you use all of them. Moment of truth. Ooh, this is cute. So like I told you guys before, to avoid that rolling thing, lace, I literally just, this is how I do it. I know it's like on my forehead, guys. Can you imagine some people wear their wigs like this and just go out? You know, some people think this is actually cute, having your wig on your forehead. Oh, this is nice. I definitely prefer the color over the dark one, so I'm happy I got two. Now I'm sure you can see that the lace looks a bit whitish, right? So let's fix that. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? I mean, what a difference that makes. You know what? This one wins. I'm so sorry, but this one wins. This one wins. Even just the way it falls on my face, y'all. Like, yeah. Because that's what I was trying to achieve with the other one. But do you see this? Oh. Do you know who it reminds me of? You see the lady that was on X Factor? I forgot her name. Is it Cheryl or something? Yeah, that's what this wig reminds me of. But I mean, it's cute. I love it so much. I would definitely wear it out, especially in the summertime. I would definitely wear it out, but I love it so much. I love it so much. Now, I'm not a big fan of short curly hair, but this, 8. Is it 8 or 8? So guys, we've reached the end of today's video. Tell me what you think, which wig you like. Is it the gorgeous black one or you like the red one? Let me know which one you prefer. I really like the red one only because I feel like, I don't know, I just love colored hair. It's just me. I love blonde hair, I love green hair, I love pink hair, I love red hair. And I like the fact that this red is not very loud. So yeah, super cute wig. Very cute. And I will leave all the details of both wigs in the description box, and you can use my code to get some money off your purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe and hit that like button so more people can discover this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.